It is possible that you might already have the JDK installed on your computer. So first we will check whether it is there. Go to your computer, type cmd, that will open the command prompt. Then type java space hyphen version. If you already have the JDK installed, it will display the Java version. In my case here, I do not have the Java installed, so it shows that Java is not recognized. So now to install JDK, I open browser and type JDK download. Currently JDK 11 is stable version, so I have selected JDK 11. Go to Oracle website link and download the JDK for your operating system. I have Windows 64-bit operating system, so I am selecting that link for download. If you are not already logged in, it will ask you to enter the Oracle login details. Enter details or create account if don't already have one. After that, when the download is complete, double click on the downloaded file to install it. Click on yes if you get the pop-up to allow the app to make the changes. After JDK is installed, go to JDK folder in your C drive program files to confirm. Next step is to set up the Java environment variables. Environment variables are set so that the computer knows where the directory and the executable programs are when it receives a request to execute a command. In your computer search box, type PC, go to settings, click on about, and then click on advanced settings. Click on environment variables button. Under the systems variables, click on new and add a variable with name java underscore home and value as JDK folder location. Next, under the user variables, click on path, click on edit, and then add new value as percentage java underscore home %/bin. Now we have installed the JDK and set up the environment variables. So the system knows from where to run the Java commands. Now if we go to the command prompt and enter the Java version command, we will get the version of the Java installed in the response.